The Jodi Arias murder trial is all over the television. The drama in court, the salacious testimony, the sex, the lies. Let's face it, it's riveting television. But what about ordinary Americans? How much do they know about it? How much are they following it? We went to find out.
Are you saying that you're having a hard time remembering things that are happening now that you've shot him?
Yes.
So it appears then that your memory becomes faulty immediately upon you shooting him.
Yeah, things get very foggy from there.
Do you know how many stab wounds Travis Alexander had?
You know, I don't remember. It was a lot, like 19 or more.
He had 29 stab wounds.
I knew it was somewhere around there. Yeah,
and
it was
Jodi
like.
says she doesn't remember any of it. What do you think about it? I mean, she remembers shooting him. She doesn't remember stabbing him over and over, and she doesn't remember slitting his throat from ear to ear. Your thoughts on that?
How convenient. I'd be surprised if you couldn't find her guilty.
Are you following the Jodi Arias trial?
Oh, we're from the United Kingdom and we've never heard of her.
I think she's guilty and I think she's disturbed. I don't think a normal, rational person would do the things that she would have done.
And were you crying where you were shooting him?
I don't remember.
You're the one that did this, right?
Yes.
What about her tears on the stand?
She's kind of crazy. I'm sorry. She seems kind of crazy.
Do you think insanity should have been part of the...
But no, I don't think insanity. I think she's a smart woman as far as that goes. I think she's playing it up. She's playing to the jury, she's playing to the cameras, she's playing to everybody.
She was, at the time, suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder.
Her attorneys say she has PTSD, she went through a traumatic experience, she has amnesia. Do you buy it?
No.
What do you think about Kirk Nurmi? This is him. Have you watched him defend Jodi? What do you think about his strategy, his demeanor in court? Some say he's definitely slow.
I do not find him effective at all.
What about Juan Martinez, the prosecutor?
I've actually seen him in court before.
You have?
I have, yes.
Is he always this?
Yes.
Is it effective, or some people say he's a bully?
I think he's trying the case well.
You're from Australia.
Yes, I am, but I live in Long Beach now.
Why do you think this case has mesmerized the nation?
She's quite exciting, and you know, she's a personality disorder. Well, I'm a psych nurse. She's a personality disorder, but they're exciting people. I don't know what station it is, but they're doing reenactments. I think it's very unfair for her.
That's HLN.
It's very unfair for her. In Australia, they try somebody. They don't even mention their name on the TV.
You think she's hot?
No.
Do you think she looks like a killer?
No.
And what would you tell her if she was a relative of yours at this point of the trial? What would you tell her?
Just be truthful, be honest, and tell everybody why you did this.
Maybe if you shoot someone out of defense is one thing, but taking the extra steps to do the other things, that's a little bit much.
Do you know how many times he was stabbed?
It was an excessive number. I don't know the exact number.
29 times.
Yeah, that's anger.
Have you ever seen a mugshot like that?
Never.
What makes it different to you?
Well, she looks pretty happy.
If you were on Travis's side of the family, and if you had a chance to talk to Jodi, what would you say?
Why? I mean, boyfriend, girlfriend, relationships don't work. It doesn't mean you go kill the other person.